Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
I'm very happy he left the Congress.
Okay.
We were not happy to give him the seat.
Hmm.
But since he was a sitting MLA, we had no choice but to give him the seat. If he had contested as a Congress candidate, we would have lost the seat. I'm very happy he will contest on another party's ticket because he will lose the seat there also.
म्हापशा NGO बरोबर बसून काँग्रेसीन तांचे इशू आयकून घेतले. आदलो केंद्रीय मंत्री पर्यावरणवादी जयराम रमेश हे बसकेक येवपाचो तो पावलो ना. जाहीरनाम्यान NGOच्यो सुचोवण्यो आनी तांचे इशू म्हूण चिदंबराचें उतर.
The NGO movement in Goa is a very active, vibrant movement. They have passionately espoused causes which are very important to the people. Therefore, we thought we will talk to the NGOs, get their views orally and in writing, and we will incorporate many of the suggestions in our manifesto. Congress manifesto is a work in progress. It's likely to be completed in the next few days.
Okay.
We will announce a date for releasing the manifesto. No, our local leaders and Goa Forward Party leaders have spoken to each other. They have arrived at some understanding. Further talks are going on. When the talks are final, we will make the announcement.
पक्षांतर करचे ना म्हूण आप उमेदवाराकडच्यान एफिडेव्हिट घेता. काँग्रेस घेतली काय विचारल्यार ही जाप. एफिडेव्हिटाचेर कायदेशीर प्रश्नचिन्ह.
They should consult a lawyer first.
Ah.
You tell me if there is a legal value to that affidavit, we will also ask them to sign it.
प्रुडंटा खातीर महेश घाडी.